Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back. I am on day 21 of the Juleetcode challenge where I'm making my solutions in Python. So today I didn't do as well as I wanted to do, but I did better than yesterday in terms of runtime. Didn't make it over 50%, but I made 39. And then memory, I got 77, so not as good as yesterday, but decent. Also did not do this in 10 minutes. Like it says, I actually read through the question for about 5 minutes. So think of it more like 16, 17 minutes. And that's probably the more likely scenario in terms of how long it would have taken me to do this. So my solution has been Python, and I'm going to try to go through this as quickly as possible because I have been traveling and I'm really excited to go to sleep. So basically, I started with kind of like this base case. So we basically started by checking if the input list is nums, if it's empty. And if it is empty and there are no increasing subsequences, then we would just return it to 0. Then we initialized two lists that would be lengths and counts, both in length n, where n is the length of the input list nums. Then when we go down here, we go into two nested loops to iterate over the elements num and update lengths and counts, the lists accordingly. So the outer loop iterates through the elements from the first to last, and then the inner loop iterates through the elements from the beginning up to the current index of the outer loop. So we just essentially check if the current index I, which is longer than the ending at the index j, which is that inner loops index. So once we update it, we get this stored variable called max length, and we return the sum counts of sum counts for all I, where the length I is equal to the max length. So this sum essentially represents the number of longest increasing subsequences in the given list nums. So that is this basic solution. And this problem number was 673, number of longest increasing subsequence. So if you want to read through that problem on your own, you're more than welcome, but this was my solution. I am going to leave my GitHub repo link in the comments, so if you guys want to try to improve this at all, especially with the runtime being below 50% of Python users, feel free to fork it and clone it and make it better. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.